Hi guys, here we are again with our hidden AC camera adapter. So this is probably one of the most popular units in stock that we actually have here at the Spy Store Australia. So this little unit has quite a good little viewing angle. It's got about a 90-degree viewing angle, and it's got a 15-degree up tilt on the actual lens itself. So if you do have to mount it in a PowerPoint lower down, it's still going to shoot up. Quite good for like keeping an eye on hallways, anything that's going to have a long shot generally of your house that's going to be quite low down. These PowerPoint adapters are quite good for. Let's go ahead, we'll open up the box and I'll show you a little bit about it, and then join us on the next video and we'll show you how to get it connected to our Pro iCam app and how to utilize most of its features. So I'll go ahead and just slide off this little top cover here that's probably had a better life, let's be honest. We'll open up the box, and inside the box we have our little AC camera adapter with our USB charging port. So the good thing about this unit is you could plug a charging cable there for an iPhone or a Samsung device or whatever it is that you've got, and legit make it look like a AC adapter rather than something that's just hanging around the wall. So it could actually have a useful purpose, and it does actually charge your device as well. So albeit slowly, it will do it. So you've got your AC adapter that comes in the box. We've then got some PC software if you needed it. A couple of little travel adapters, so if you want to take it on a trip around the world with you, or you were maybe you were going to a hotel room and you're worried about your things in the hotel room, this little unit can keep an eye on all that sort of stuff for you. And last but not least, we have a couple of little guides. So there's our little Pro iCam quick guide, our in-depth instruction manual, and a micro SD card adapter. So as with the majority of our devices on the Spy Store website, to operate this unit effectively, you will need a micro SD card, which you can buy separately on the site when you're browsing the AC adapter. So that's it for the unbox, guys. Join me in a sec and we'll get an adapter out and we'll plug in the adapter. I'll go through the Pro iCam app, I'll show you how to connect it, what to look for, and the easiest way to get everything up and running. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.